DRXAutomobi, welcome back to DRXAutomobi. For the past few years, the truck world has been asking one question. When is the real king coming back? Well, the wait is over. Today, we're looking at the monster that has returned to haunt the nightmares of every other Raptor owner on the planet, the 2027 Ram 1500 SRT TRX, while the RHO is a great placeholder. The 2027 TRX is a different breed entirely. Visually, it takes the wide-body aesthetic to a whole new level, featuring an even wider track, a more aggressive functional hood scoop with integrated clearance lights, and a new forged carbon trim package. This truck doesn't just have presence, it has a gravitational pull, with massive 37-inch tires now standard and a redesigned front fascia featuring Venom LED signatures. The 2027 TRX looks like it's ready to swallow a Baja course whole, but we know why you're here. What's under the hood? Since the HEMI V8 went to the great drag strip in the sky, Ram has been working on something even more terrifying. The 2027 TRX is powered by the Apex high-output 3.0-liter Hurricane twin-turbo inline 6, but with a massive twist, tits, paired with a high-performance electric motor at the rear axle. This hybrid setup delivers a staggering 820 horsepower and 790 pound-feet of torque. We're talking a 0 to 60 time of just 3.3 seconds. This isn't just a truck, it's a supercar with a bed. The instant electric torque fills the gaps during turbo spool, providing a linear, neck-snapping acceleration that makes the old Hellcat feel almost tame to handle that power. Ram has updated the legendary Bilstein Black Hawk E to adaptive shocks, now with predictive terrain sensing that adjusts the damping in milliseconds based on GPS and camera data. Whether you're jumping sand dunes or carving a canyon road, the TRX remains uncannily composed. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of speed. You're greeted by a massive 14.5-inch vertical touchscreen running the latest Uconnect 6 system, plus a dedicated Performance Pages HUD that tracks your GI forces and jump airtime. With carbon fiber paddle shifters and Alcantara-wrapped racing seats, the 2027 Ram 1500 SRT TRX is the ultimate statement of dominance. The king is back, and he brought a lightning-fast heartbeat. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi as we take this beast out for its first desert high-speed run.